Good morning, children. In the last class, we have studied that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So, based on that statement, we will solve exercise 6.4. Okay, so the first question is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Okay, so in the last video also I have showed you some examples. The measurement of the sides of the triangle is given as 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. You have to find out, is it possible to have a triangle? So for that you have to add the two sides, and if the sum is greater than the third side, then it will be possible to draw the triangle. Okay, so firstly we will add 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter and see its sum. So 2 centimeter plus 3 centimeter is nothing but 5 centimeter. So we have taken the first two sides. Its sum is 5 centimeter and the third side is also 5 centimeter. That is, it is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, it is equal. So according to the statement, it must be greater than the third side. So it is not greater than the third side. So therefore, it is not possible to have a triangle with the following sides. You have to write. Okay, so write here. That is, the sum of two sides. The sum of two sides is not greater than the third side. Third side. Therefore, it is not possible to have a triangle with the following sides. Okay, so now let's see the second one. The second one, measurements are given as 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Okay, so add firstly the two sides. Any two sides you can take. 3 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. If you add, you will get 9 centimeter and the remaining third side is 7. So 9 centimeter is greater than 7 centimeter. So only one side finding the sum is greater than the third side is not enough. You have to take any two. All the possible two sides should be greater than the third side. Okay, so now let's see, take the next two. 6 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. So 6 plus 7 centimeter you will get as 13 centimeter. Okay, we have taken 6 and 7. So remaining one is 3. So 13 is also greater than the third side, that is 3 centimeter. Now we have taken combination of these two sides. Now these two sides you have to take the combination of 3 centimeter plus 7 centimeter, you will get as 10 centimeter. So which side is remaining here? 6 is remaining. We have added 3 and 7. So 6 remains. Now 10 centimeter is also greater than 10 centimeter. Okay, so we have seen now sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, so therefore it is possible to have a triangle with the following sides. You have to write the statement, children. Now let's see the third one. Third one, the side measurements are given as 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Okay, so now to find out, again you have to add any two sides. So firstly we will take 6 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. If you add these two, you will get 9 centimeter, which is greater than the third side, that is 2 centimeter. Okay, now let's see the next two. Take the next two. 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. If you add, you are going to get 5 centimeter. Now 5 centimeter is not greater than the third side. Yes, 3 plus 2 we have added 5, so remaining is 6. Okay, so it is not greater. 5 centimeter is not greater than 6 centimeter. Yes, greater than, one line means not greater. Okay, or you can write it is less than. Okay, it is not greater than the third side. So therefore it is not possible to have a triangle with the following sides. Okay, if any two sides is greater than the third side in all the conditions, only then it is possible to have a triangle. Okay. Now children, the next question is, take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. Okay, so PQR is a triangle. You have to take a point O in the interior part of this triangle. And they have asked, is OP plus OQ is greater than PQ? This is the first question. OP. Where is OP, children? You have to join OP. OQ is greater than PQ. Okay, so you can firstly join this with the help of pencil and scale. The sides OQ, side OP. Okay, so OP plus OQ, is it greater than PQ? So we are able to draw a triangle. When we are able to draw a triangle, sum of the length of the sum of the lengths of the two sides is always greater than the third side. Okay, so it is possible. Yes, it is yes. The answer is yes. The sum of lengths of any two sides is greater than the third side. You have to write with the reason. And the next they have asked OQ plus OR. Okay, so for that you join OR also. Okay, OR. Okay, is OQ plus OR greater than QR? Yes, so again it is correct. OQ plus OR is greater than QR because sum of the lengths of the two sides is always greater than the third side. Okay, so in this way you have to answer the three questions of the second main. Now children, coming to the third question. The third question is, AM is a median of triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than twice of AM? You have to find out this. Is this correct? Okay. So they have also given you a hint in the question. Consider the sides of the triangle ABM and triangle AMC. Two triangles you can see. You have to consider the sides of these two triangles and then find out whether we can get this. Okay. So firstly, let's consider the triangle ABM. In triangle ABM. Now in triangle ABM, we know that AB plus BM is greater than AM. Yes, we know that in any triangle the sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. Okay, so by that we can write AB plus BM is greater than AM. Okay, this consider the equation 1 and you have to write the reason. The statement you have to write it as the reason. So I have written in the short form here of the sentence, because sum of two sides is greater than third side. Okay. Now consider the next triangle. In triangle ACM. In triangle ACM, again you can see that AC plus CM, it will be greater than AM. Okay. AC plus CM is greater than AM. Okay, consider this as equation 2 and again the reason is the same, that is sum of two sides is greater than third side. You can write the complete sentence also. Okay, now see children, equation 1 and 2, if we add these two equations, okay, add equation 1 and 2. Okay, these are the two equations. Write AM here. Okay, so if we add, when we are adding children, now this is LHS, left hand side, and this is AM is in the right hand side. So left hand side to be added to left hand side and right hand side to be added to right hand side. Okay, so now add the LHS, AB plus BM, now this of second equation, plus AC plus CM. Greater than sign is there both the sides, so again same greater than sign only will come here. AM is in the RHS of the first equation as well as second equation, so AM plus AM. Okay, now AB plus AC, and see now BM and CM. If you add BM and CM in the figure, which side you get children? BM plus CM is nothing but the side BC. Okay, so we can write this BM plus CM as BC. So AB plus BC plus AC is greater than, what is AM plus AM? AM plus AM is nothing but 2AM. Okay, how x plus x is 2x, in the same way AM plus AM is 2AM. Okay, so this is what they have asked. Is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than twice of AM? Yes, we have got it. AB plus BC plus AC is greater than twice of AM. Now coming to the fourth question, children. The fourth question is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD? Okay, ABCD is a quadrilateral. You have to find that is the sum of the four sides. These are nothing but the four sides. Sum of the four sides is greater than the sum of its diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals of the quadrilateral. Okay, so here also, children, as we did for the previous one, you can see the triangles here. We have to consider the different triangles and write that the sum of the lengths of any two sides is greater than the length of the third side. Okay, get these equations and then add. Okay, so first one, let us take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, okay, you can see the triangle ABC. Now in this triangle ABC, AB plus BC, we can write AB plus BC is greater than AC. Yes, so this will be the first equation. And you have to write the reason again, children. Sum of two sides is greater than third side. Okay, now similarly we have to take the different triangles and get equations like this. Now next we will take the triangle ACD. Okay, in triangle ACD, you can see the figure in your textbook. In triangle ACD, we will have CD plus DA. CD plus DA greater than AC. Consider this as equation 2 and write the reason again, because sum of two sides is greater than third side. Okay, now add this equation 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. Okay, now you know how to add LHS to LHS and RHS to RHS. So in LHS of the first equation we have AB plus BC, and in LHS of the second equation we have CD plus DA. Greater than is in between of both the equations, and in the RHS we have AC in the first and AC in the second also. So AC plus AC. So now if you add this, you will get AC plus AC as twice AC. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DC is greater than twice of AC. Okay, now consider this as equation 3. Okay, now let's take the other triangle. In triangle ABD. Okay, consider the triangle, children, now ABD. Now in the first and second equation on the RHS we had got AC side on both the equations. Now we will take triangle ABD so that we can get the diagonal BD, and next take the triangle BCD again so that we can get BD. Okay, in the RHS. So in triangle ABD, sum of AD plus AB is greater than BD. Okay, that will be the fourth equation. Then on the in triangle BCD, you can see sum of BC plus sum of CD will be greater than again BD. So again you will get two equations where both the RHS you will get BD. So again add and get the fifth equation. Okay, children, now you can see in triangle ABD what I told. We have got the equation 4 and equation 5 from triangle ABD and triangle BCD. Now add the equations 4 and 5. So LHS to LHS we have added here, and BD plus BD on the RHS. So you will get AB plus DA plus BC plus CD is greater than twice of BD. So that will be equation 6. Okay, now next we are going to add the equation 3 and equation 6. Okay, add 3 and 6. Okay, so when we are adding 3 and 6, again LHS to LHS we have to add and RHS to RHS. Okay, so let's take LHS of equation 3, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DC, plus now LHS of equation 6, AB plus DA plus BC plus CD now is greater than add the RHS. Here is twice of AC and plus here of equation 6 is twice of BD. Okay, now you children, you can see here AB in the LHS, AB we have 2 times, then BC also we have 2 times, CD we have 2 times, and DA we have 2 times. Okay, so each of the sides appears 2 times here. Okay, so we can write AB plus AB twice of AB, BC plus BC twice of BC, CD plus CD twice of CD, DA plus DA twice of DA is greater than twice of AC plus twice of BD. Okay, now you can see 2 is common everywhere, so we can take out 2 common. 2 common if you take, what remains is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than, again 2 is common here also, so you will get twice of AC plus BD. 2 we have taken common out. Okay, so now 2 on both the sides, 2 is here also, 2 is here also, both the sides same, it will get cancelled children. Okay, if you take 2 on the other side, it will become 2 by 2. Okay, so it will get cancelled. 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Okay, so you will get AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Okay, so this is what they had asked. Okay, so we got it. So yes, the sum of the 4 sides is greater than the sum of its diagonals. Yes, children, now let's see the fifth question. The fifth question is ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than twice of AC plus BD? This you have to find out. Okay, figure is given. So again children, we have to consider the 4 triangles and get the 4 equations here. Okay, so firstly we have taken triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, OA plus OB is greater than AB. Reason is sum of 2 sides is greater than the third side. Okay, in this way 4 triangles, 4 equation you have to get. Then next triangle OBC, OB plus OC is greater than BC. Then next triangle OCD, OC plus OD is greater than CD. Okay, then next in triangle OAD, OD plus OA is greater than AD. Okay, so like this 4 equations you will get. Then you have to add the 4 equations, add 1 2 3 and 4. So you know how to add LHS to be added to LHS and RHS to RHS. So you will get like this children. Then here you can see OA appears 2 times here. Okay, OB appears 2 times, OC appear 2 times, and OD appears 2 times. Okay, so you can write twice of OA, twice of OB, plus twice of AC, plus twice of AD is greater than. In the RHS, if you add AB plus BC plus CD plus AD, okay, you will get in the RHS. Now, 2 you can take out common everywhere. Okay, so 2 if you take out common, remaining is OA plus OB plus OC plus OD, and RHS remains the same again. Now, here children, in the figure if you see OA plus OC, if I add OA plus OC, OA plus OC if I add, I am going to get the diagonal AC. Okay, so I have written AC here. Then next if you add OB and OD, okay, if you add OB and OD, you are going to get BD line. Okay, so write BD here is greater than the sum of the 4 sides. Okay, so now we will interchange. Okay, this sum of the 4 sides we will bring it to the LHS, and this twice of AC plus BD we will take it to the LHS. Okay, so now this is greater. Okay, so when you are changing this LHS to RHS and RHS to LHS, even the sign will change, children. Okay, so this is greater, here also this only will be greater, and this is lesser. So AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is less than twice of AC plus BD. Okay, this is what they had asked. Yes. Now let's move on to the sixth question and the last question of the exercise. Okay, so the question is, the lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? Okay, they have given the measurements of only two sides of a triangle, 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. You have to find what will be the measurement of the third side, in between what numbers it may fall, the measurement of the third side. We cannot tell it exactly, but we can tell in between what numbers the measurement of the third side may fall. Okay, so let us take the third side measurement as x centimeter. Let x centimeter be the length of the third side. Okay, so the first two sides are given as 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So the third side will become x. Okay, and we know that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay, so therefore we should have the sum of any two sides greater than the third side. Okay, that is, firstly we can write 12 centimeter plus 15 centimeter is greater than, okay, greater than the third side we have taken as x. Okay, so x centimeter. Okay, now 12 plus 15 is nothing but 17 centimeter, sorry, 27 centimeter is greater than x centimeter. Or you can write the x is, we have taken the third side is x, so the value of x is nothing but, it is less than, okay, it is less than 27 centimeter. Okay, if you interchange x this side and 27 on the other side, the sign also will change. So x should be less than 27 centimeter we got here. Okay, so now let's take the other two sides. Okay, let's take 15 plus x. Okay, now if we take 15 centimeter plus x centimeter, it should be greater than the third side, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, or we can write this as x is less than 15 on the other side, 12 centimeter minus 15 centimeter, that is x should be less than 12 minus 15 is nothing but minus 3 centimeter. X should be less than, greater than minus 3 centimeter. Okay, now let's take the another two sides, that is now take the let us take, we have taken 12 plus 15 and 15 plus x. Now let's take x plus 12. X centimeter plus 12 centimeter should be again greater than the third side, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, so x will be greater than 15 centimeter, 12 centimeter on the other side minus 12 centimeter. So x will be greater than 15 minus 12 is 3 centimeter. Okay, so children, we got x should be less than 27 and x should be greater than minus 3 and x should be greater than 3. Okay, greater than 3. Now any measurement of any sides cannot be in negative. Yes, length of the any side cannot be negative. Okay, so therefore we have to consider these two things. X should be less than 27 and x should be greater than 3. Okay, so therefore we have to write, therefore the length of the third side should be any length between, we cannot find exactly but we can find in between, be any length between greater than 3. Okay, so between 3 centimeter and it should be, here we have got less than 27. So 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter, children. Okay, so this completes the exercise 6.4. Thank you.